Hi, I'm Dr. Alexis Parker from Laser Aesthetic Health, and I have some questions for you. Do you pee a little bit when you cough? Can't you make it to the bathroom? Are you a little stretched out after having a baby? Or are your hormones gone and intercourse is painful? Or do you have to use a lot of lubricant when you have sex? These are things that can now be helped with a very simple treatment called vaginal rejuvenation. We use to restore vaginal tissues and the external genitalia and take care of a lot of the little problems that women have after childbirth, after treatment for breast cancer, and also as they age. Women who can't take hormones find that their bodies change when they lose their hormones, and bodies change during pregnancy. So now we have something to help women a lot. It not only restores the tissue of the vagina, it restores the external tissues, the labia minora and majora, and it makes women healthier and it improves their sex life. It improves stress incontinence. A lot of women can't cough, laugh, sneeze, jump on a trampoline, or lift heavy weights in the gym, or sometimes even light weights, without having a little leak. So now this procedure can take care of that problem and reduce the stress that's caused by stress incontinence. The laser light comes right through here, and we just turn it and work our way down the vaginal wall to increase circulation, improve lubrication, improve tone, improve the flexibility and the malleability of the vagina. And I wasn't a believer either. You know, I've heard for the last 20 years, this laser doesn't hurt, this laser doesn't hurt, but this truly does not hurt. There's a little bit of pressure as the treatment is done, but I would not say it's pain. When we treat the labia majora and minora, of course there's a little bit of sensation, but we numb that area, and that part of the treatment takes about 2 minutes, so there's really nothing to it. And I can tell you, myself and others treated at the same time when we demoed this laser, and what we found is that we went right back to work. There was no downtime. A little sting, and then after a couple days, maybe a little bit of itching. That's relieved with a little bit of Balmex. That's relieved with some Balmex, which is a diaper rash cream. The only exception is that you have to refrain from intercourse for 5 to 7 days. But hey, if everything's going to be renewed and revitalized, why not? We're getting rave reviews. I have women say it has changed their lives. I have women say they no longer have those little leaks, even after just one treatment. This is great for women after childbirth, because it will restore the tissues, shrink some of the stretched out tissues, and make the vaginal wall healthy with better circulation, better lubrication, and tighten up the tone. It also tightens the tone around the urethra, and that's why it so greatly helps stress incontinence, which is a huge problem for so many women. Women who've had breast cancer that can't take estrogen or on estrogen inhibitors, they have a terrible time after these treatments. But this will restore the tissues without hormones. So this is a great procedure for women. I think it's wonderful that we don't have to take a pill to be healthy, to have our intimate health be improved. We don't have to take medicine. We can do this with a simple laser treatment. The treatment takes about 15 minutes. As I said, it's not painful. There's a little bit of discomfort, but it's very minimal discomfort. And afterwards, no discomfort except for maybe a little bit of burning in the labia minora and majora, but it goes away very quickly with just a little bit of ice. And then a couple days later, when you get a little itchy, you just use the diaper rash. Tune in to us on YouTube.